Ready to give your Squarespace customers a checkout experience they'll love by adding Venmo as a payment option. This tutorial will guide you step by step through integrating Venmo directly into your Squarespace website, making online transactions smoother and more convenient for everyone. First, log into your Squarespace website editor and navigate to your site settings. You'll find this typically on the left-hand menu. Within the settings menu, locate and select the billing and payments option. This is where you manage all your payment processing. Now, you'll want to find the section related to payment gateways. Squarespace allows you to connect various services to accept payments. Look for the option to add or manage payment options. While Squarespace doesn't have a direct, one-click Venmo integration like some other services, we can achieve this by leveraging a powerful workaround. We'll use a third-party integration service, specifically designed to connect popular payment methods to platforms like Squarespace. You'll need to sign up for an account with a reputable integration service that supports both Venmo and Squarespace connections. Think of it as a bridge between the two. Once you've created your account with the integration service, you'll be prompted to connect your Venmo account. This usually involves logging in with your Venmo credentials and authorizing the connection. Next, you'll connect your Squarespace website to this integration service. Follow the prompts within the service to link your Squarespace site. This might involve copying and pasting a block of code or authenticating through your Squarespace account. The integration service will then handle the heavy lifting when a customer chooses to pay with Venmo on your site. The integration service will process the transaction and ensure the funds are correctly routed to your Venmo account. You'll typically configure how Venmo appears on your checkout page. Through the integration service, you can often customize the button's appearance and placement. By adding Venmo, you're not only expanding your payment flexibility, but also catering to a large user base that prefers the convenience and familiarity of Venmo for their transactions. This is a fantastic way to enhance your customers' purchasing experience and potentially boost sales. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Squarespace and e-commerce tips.